Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add cover page in Microsoft Word. So easy way to add a cover page. Just guys, you have to click on insert and here is the option cover page. Your document will make a great first impression with a stylish cover page. Make it your own. So click this drop down and here guys you will see some cover page. You can use any cover page which you like. Just select it. Now you customize and change like date, document title, document subtitle. Here your company name. So in just few seconds you can create a stylish cover page. To change, just select another one. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.